Ever wonder just how deep the rabbit hole of creative possibilities goes within Adobe Creative Cloud? Let's dive right in and explore the sheer breadth of applications packed into the Adobe Creative Cloud suite. Adobe Creative Cloud isn't just a single app. It's a massive collection of tools designed to fuel any creative endeavor. At its core, Creative Cloud gives you access to a vast array of applications that can be broken down into several key categories: design, video, photography, web and UX design, and 3D and augmented reality. Think of it like having an entire creative toolbox at your fingertips, ready for any project you decide to have. Now, let's look at some key players for design. You have the powerhouse that is Photoshop and Illustrator. If you're into video editing, you've got Premiere Pro and After Effects. For photographers, Lightroom and Photoshop are essential. Web designers, you'll want to familiarize yourself with Dreamweaver. Finally, for 3D and AR, Dimension and Substance 3D are available to help with all your needs. Beyond these mainstays, the Creative Cloud ecosystem includes a bunch of applications to assist with multiple tasks, like InDesign for layout work, Audition for audio editing, and Character Animator for creating animations. The list goes on. And it's always evolving with updates and new additions. The true power of Adobe Creative Cloud lies in its ability to cater to such a vast spectrum of creative needs. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner, Creative Cloud provides the every possible tool to bring your ideas to life. So, start exploring and unlock your creative potential with the ultimate creative suite made. Thanks for watching.